Hey guys, Elliot here with Worldwide TV, and I'm standing here with Charlie, and we are in front of the 1960 Edsel Ranger. Charlie, this is a pretty special car. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Sure, Elliot. This is a convertible from 1960. They only made 76 of these, and It's rumored that fewer than 25 exist today.
So it's very rare.
Extremely rare. And as a matter of fact, in 1959, Ford management had already decided to axe the brand.
So it was a done deal by the time
It was
this
a
came
done
around.
deal. So they quit building Edsels in, I believe it was December of 1960. So any 1960 Edsel is rare. The convertibles are exceedingly rare, as like I say, they only made 76. This particular model has the upgraded Super Express V8s.
Oh, look at that.
And you can see it's really nicely detailed under the hood, correct blue paint.
What a presentation.
Yeah, so our consignor, huge Edsel fan. It's a nicely restored car. The color is not quite 100% original.
Okay.
It's a little, he added a little pearl to
I
it.
see it's got a little pizzazz.
To give it a little pop.
Yep.
It's got the Continental kit on the back end, and it runs and drives great, according to our consignor. This will sell Friday 26th?
Yes, Friday 26th at 11 a.m. And you can watch it right here on Worldwide TV, or you can get here in person. We'll see you guys Friday at 11.